In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks efficiently. We'll focus on a sequence of actions that will help you access your transactions and manage your accounts with ease. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to sharpen their financial management skills, this guide is perfect for you. Let's start by heading over to QuickBooks. Open the platform by either searching for it directly or using your saved bookmarks for easy access. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which provides an overview of your business's financial health. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this space, as it will be your starting point for most tasks. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Transactions. Click on it. This section is crucial because it houses all the financial exchanges that occur within your business. From here, you can review purchases, sales, and other monetary movements that keep your operations flowing. Take a moment to explore this area thoroughly so you can hold a good understanding of the financial activities that are taking place. Once you've explored the Transactions tab, it's time to move on to the Chart of Accounts. Locate this feature, which can be found directly below Transactions. Click on it to access a comprehensive list of accounts utilized in your accounting system. This combination acts like a digital filing system that keeps your business's finances organized. It's here where you'll be able to see all entries made, categorized by the nature of each transaction, such as assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. With our chart of accounts open, find the drop-down box on the screen. This is a powerful tool, allowing you to tailor your financial information to suit your needs. Clicking on this drop-down will present you with a menu of actions, offering you the flexibility to manage your accounts with precision. Spend some time getting comfortable with the various features available, as this will help you make better decisions when it comes to organizing, analyzing, and strategizing your financial objectives. Lastly, I'll guide you through a simple but important feature. Within the drop-down menu, you'll notice an option labeled Make Inactive. Select it when you need to remove an account that is no longer in use, but you wish to keep its historical data intact. It's important to note that deactivating an account here won't reduce usage or data. It's a perfect way to tidy up your accounts without losing valuable information. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your financial data on QuickBooks, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Remember, mastering this tool is key to maintaining control over your business's finances and ensuring a smooth operation. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out.